one of the questions I always ask myself, and it has definitely affected, what things I genuinely do, and sometimes even change some of the decisions I take. And I think it is something which, you guys should also take in account is what do you actually really like, and what would you do in this life if you actually didn't give a shit about what people thought about you or what impressed them. Because as much as we think that, oh, I love doing this, it does not matter, this is my dream, this and that, but I think if you actually look into it deep enough, I think you would realize that that dream you have is somewhere down this leads to this path of actually impressing people. And if we take this aspect of not really giving a shit about impressing people, I think you would actually stop doing those things. you know all the supercars, all those kind of stuff, yes, it is fun. Yes, it is. I'm not saying that bikes, motorcycles, and cars are not fun. Of course, it's nice to drive. Gives you kind of adrenaline, and some people genuinely love it. And they don't give a shit if anyone gets impressed. But a lot of people, they don't give a shit about driving. They don't even drive any of those cars or the supercars they dream about buying. And when they buy it, they don't even like it no more. They just it's just there like a showpiece to show people that you have a supercar. And yeah, so that's about it, right? And that also kind of shapes different things, as well as you acting a certain way because you thought, like, if I do this, if I act this way, or like if I shape my personality this way, I might get like I might be able to impress people. They might like me. I think everyone should actually think about those things a lot in their life. And yeah, so just anytime you make some decision, or like you think about your dreams, one of the things you should always consider is just give yourself this fake imagination scenario where you know you pretended that you didn't give a shit about any people. You didn't give a fuck about what they thought, what impressed those people. So I think that's one of the best ways to actually come close to what you actually like doing, or what your actual purpose in life is, right? And I think one of the it is a path. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share. All right.